Hello, today I'm in the Gold Coast in the 1100 block of North Dearborn between Maple and Elm in a very nice one-bedroom apartment. Heat is included, hot water is included. This is the main living room. This particular unit is on a higher floor with great views. There's looking up Dearborn, north on Dearborn. It's a nice storage space over there. Radiator heat. Nice modern lighting. Here you have room for a dining room table, or if you're looking for home office, you can put your desk in here, be separate from your living room. The living room, however, is very big. I think you could do that with it. Oak cabinets, stainless steel appliances. You see it has a nice dishwasher, over the stove microwave. This has a lot of cabinets, 30-inch cabinets on top, and just a ton of counter space. You see nice ceramic floors, big refrigerator. If there's looking back at the dining room, so you could absolutely put a 4-person table there with no problem. This is the front door. We're about where I started right now. Here's the front door. On this side you have the bathroom. It's a nice big bathroom, big mirrored medicine cabinet. Here's the bedroom. This bedroom will hold a queen-size bed. The way it's set up, I think you've got plenty of room also for a dresser. It's got 2 good-sized closets over there. You've got this closet. It's bigger than it looks. Same way with this one. It's a nice deep closet. Modern flooring.